One of the most common questions asked is how to add more coins to an existing stake. This video will give you a quick walkthrough of how to do this. It is recommended for you to watch the first 2 parts of this video series to become familiar with creating a stake proof for your eCash coins. The main reason for adding to your staked coins is to increase the chance your node will have in winning the next block reward. When you visit websites such as CoinDance's Avalanche page, you can see that eCash Avalanche peers will frequently increase their existing stakes in order to grow their share of the staking rewards. So let's take an example where you are using one Electrum ABC wallet where the coins are held, and a separate Electrum ABC wallet where you're signing off on the stake proof. In the wallet with all the coins, let's say there are 3 UTXOs, one consisting of 155 million eCash, one with 189 million, and another with 100 million. For this example, let's assume the UTXO with the 100 million was used to generate your existing stake proof. Therefore, we can choose to add the 155 million and 189 million eCash UTXOs to the same stake currently linked to the 100 million eCash UTXO. Open up your Electrum ABC wallet and let's get started. Here you can see we have 2 Electrum ABC wallets. The top wallet holds the eCash UTXOs that we would like to add to our existing Avalanche stake, and the bottom wallet is the Proof Master wallet. The Proof Master wallet is used so you are not exposing the private key of the UTXO wallet when initializing your Avalanche node on a server hosted by third parties. To get started, go to your wallet with the coins you would like to add, click on Tools, then Avalanche Proof Editor. Then load your existing staking proof that is linked to the 100 million eCash UTXO. Upon opening the proof, you will get a missing private key message, which is completely fine if you're using the Proof Master wallet approach. Click OK, and you will now see the UTXOs associated with this existing proof. Then simply click the Add Coins from Wallet button and hold down the Control key and select the UTXOs to add to your Avalanche stake. Remember that each UTXO must have at minimum 100 million eCash and has not moved for 2016 blocks, which is approximately 2 weeks. Next, click Load Selected Coins, followed by Generate Proof, ignoring the private key warning as before. The master signature will display as invalid before we will sign this proof with the Proof Master wallet. However, make sure the stake signatures are showing a status of good. Click Save Proof to store this locally on your machine. Now that we have added coins to the existing Avalanche proof, we will need to sign it using the Proof Master wallet. Go to that wallet, open the same Avalanche Proof Editor screen, and load the updated proof you just saved earlier and click Generate Proof. The updated proof hex string is now what you would update your Avalanche node configuration with. To do this, log into your virtual private server and open your bitcoin.conf configuration file for your node. Within your configuration file, update the AVA proof value with the updated proof string. Then finally restart your Avalanche node and wait for the next block to be found for it to be picked up by network sites such as CoinDance. If you're delegating your proof for somebody else to run on their node, you'll need to create a new proof delegation, sending both it and the new proof so they can publish it for you. Be sure to watch Part 3 of the Staking Rewards Guide to learn how to create a proof delegation. We hope this video has provided clarity to assist you in adding additional coins to your existing Avalanche stakes. As always, if you have any node-related questions, please feel free to reach out to the official eCash Node Telegram at t.me/eCashNode.